everyone, it's Alicat Castle, and in today's episode, we will be doing an unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, and as you all know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $25. Yes, where you get 5 full-size products. You heard me right, 5 full-size products where you get to pick 3 products out of the 5. So without further ado, let's open this beauty, this bag. I actually feel like I'm the last person to open this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but at least I get to share to you what my picks are, as well as the 2 surprises that they have for us in this bag. And this month's theme is Stronger Together. And the first product is the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. And this one is a full-size product of 59 milliliters, and guess what? It retails for $23. And it says in here that no matter what your skin type, this hydrates and revitalizes even the driest and dullest of complexions. A combo of antioxidants like cloudberry seed oil and green tea rejuvenate stressed out skin. Oh my gosh, I actually need this. I actually went to Target.com. This one actually has very high reviews, and that's the reason why I picked this. So, you know what? Let's just try it. This one also is cruelty-free, paraben-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, and vegan. Yes! So, as you can see, it's sealed. So, let's open her. And then, now let's try it. Oh my gosh! Let's put it right here. And you can actually see that it looks like it's a very rich cream. It's rich, but it actually has like that nice moussey effect as well. You can actually see that it lathers really good. And let's smell it. Oh, it really smells good. Yes. So now let's put some on our face. Yes, exactly, on our bare face, because today we're gonna be putting on some makeup as well. And here we go. First, lather it on our fingers, on our hands. That actually feels really good. I feel like I can massage my face all day long. Oh my gosh. That's really amazing. So of course, after moisturizer, it's now time to put on some makeup. Yes! So the first product that we're gonna be putting on is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 12 Light Medium. Yes! And this one retails for $24. And this one is full size. And this one says that this creamy, full coverage concealer for medium skin with warm to neutral undertones hides breakouts, dark circles, and hyperpigmentation in a flash. And as you can see, I have all those concerns. Plus, it's infused with shea butter, vitamin E, and sunflower seed oil to nourish and protect skin throughout the day. But you know what? Before we actually apply this, let me first put some foundation on my face as well as some brow product, and then we're gonna put this together. Okay? I'll be right back. Wait for me! And I'm back, and I just finished applying our foundation as well as our eyebrow, and also brushed my hair because it's so humid here. But I did not set my under eye with any concealer since we're gonna be putting this on. And this concealer also claims that it's blendable, it's lightweight, it's long wear, it also has a full coverage. And it's also vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, and paraben-free, as well as it's made in the USA. And here she is. Look at that. The packaging is actually really nice. I know that this is made of high quality plastic, but it feels like glass for some reason because it has a little bit of weight in it. So it definitely feels very luxurious. It also says in here, meet your hue. And I've been seeing this in Ulta for the longest time. I've been dreaming this concealer. So I'm happy I got this here. So let's try it right now. First, let's swatch it right here. And here she is. I hope it's not too dark. And it definitely has a very creamy effect. And you can actually feel that this one will definitely give some full coverage on the skin. So you know what? Since that's the case, we definitely need to hydrate the under eye area. You know what? Let me just put some of the moisturizer then to put underneath my eyes, just so that I like applying a concealer while our under eye area is wet on the skin. Because my eye cream is in the bathroom, it's so far. So let's put that on. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to apply this with my fingers. For some reason, I really find it more successful applying concealer with fingers. And then after that, I can actually set it with a beauty blender. Because if you actually put the beauty blender, it doesn't really get into the skin. So fingers for me always works. Do you feel the same way? Please let me know. And here we go. This actually feels really creamy. Oh my god. It basically lives up to its claims. I mean, look at that. It's amazing. Now let's do it on the other side. Oh my gosh, I did not even have to blend it in with the beauty blender. So now I put it first on my ring finger because that's the weakest out of all of her fingers. Let me put it here. I mean, wow. I'm really impressed with that concealer. I mean, I usually would set it with the beauty sponge, but with this, because it's so rich, but at the same time, it has the right texture, it actually just blended right. And oh my gosh, super, super happy. So let me just actually set this with a setting powder, and then we're gonna proceed to the eyeshadow. Yes, so happy that this is actually my pick too. I'll be right back. And I'm back! And our third product choice is the MOTD Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Brushes! And about the brand, MOTD Cosmetics Brushes support a beginner's journey on becoming a makeup artist and inspire you to step outside your comfort zone! And we get 5 full-size eye makeup brushes. And what this one does is, whether you want to create a dramatic eye look or something softer, this pro-quality brush set has got you covered. Not only are these pearly pink brushes gorgeous, they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly what it does and how to use it. And this one retails for $58. Oh my gosh. So let's open this beauty. How am I gonna open this? Because it's sealed. Oh, it's right here. Oh my gosh. That's the reason why I love Ipsy, because they get to let you pick the products. And oh my gosh, why is it not coming out? And here you go! Look at that. They're so pretty. And they're actually made of like synthetic bristles. That means that this is good for both wet and dry. So before we use this, let me show you what the fourth product is. So the fourth product is, guess what? It's an eyeshadow palette. And here she is. And this eyeshadow palette is by Shades by Shan. And about the brand, Shades by Shan donates a portion of proceeds from each purchase to support single parents in need through their Mama Berries nonprofit foundation. I mean, that right there, that melts my heart. I mean, this is it. This box is amazing. This bag is amazing. But anyway, this values at $36 and it's full size. And what this one does is, this neutral eyeshadow palette is filled with 9 wearable shades and an array of textures from bold matte to eye-catching shimmer. P.S. The ultra silky powder formulas are richly pigmented and easy to blend too. So let's open this beauty. Oh my gosh, I just love this company. Ipsy, you're doing great this month. And here she is. Here you go. And this one is made in China. And let's open her. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And these colors, I think, are colors that you can definitely wear all the time. So let's start with, of course, let's use some of the brushes. Let's start with the wifey, which is this. By the way, I already primed my eyes with an eyeshadow primer. Wow, that's really pigmented. Oh my gosh. Now, let's do a transitional color. Now, let's use our blending brush. Oh, actually, look at this. It actually says tapered contour crease. Yeah, I remember that this is labeled, so it's very good for beginners. Let's use Mommy. Here we go. And we're gonna do it right as a transitional color. That's actually a very good transitional color. Now, let's use something deeper and let's actually use Self-Made, which is this. And let's apply that right underneath the first one. Wow, really pigmented so far. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is let's apply some of the Maxi, which is this, right on our lids. Let's see how it applies with our fingers. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now let's try Hex as our highlighter right on the inner corner of the eye. Wow, they're not kidding when they say the products are pigmented. And then after that, let's actually try this little brush. It says Smoky Detailer. And then let's actually put on some of the Dreamer right in our bottom lash line. And then let's use this brush, Miss Shady Lady, to basically just buff out a little bit of the upper crease. This one doesn't have any product in it. Wow, look at that. These brushes, so far it's working. And then the fifth brush is the Come Through Contour. And this one you can also use it just to clean up the sides. I mean, but look at that so far. Oh my gosh. And now let's see if we can use this eyeshadows wet. So I'm actually going to wet my own brush. This is actually not included in the brush right here. So I'm gonna spray it with water. Then after that, I'm gonna dip it right on Girl Boss. I love the names of these products right there. Then we're gonna use this as a liner. Oh my gosh! So far, these products that we got here, it's working! And now, let's go to the fifth product. And the fifth product is the Ofra Blush Bellini Liquid to Bake and Smoothing Blush! Yes! I've actually been hearing of the Ofra Cosmetics, especially from Nikki Tutorials. I love her so much. And I'm so happy that this is my very first Ofra product. So about the brand, their products make you look and feel good 24/7. And with essentials for work to weekend, day to night, there's something for every lifestyle. And this one retails for $29. Yes! And this one is made in the USA as well. Oh my gosh. Now let's open this beauty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And she feels so heavy. It feels very luxurious. And let's open this beauty. Here she is. Oh my gosh. It's definitely something that I can wear. Let's swatch it first. Wow. That's really, really soft. I just hope that this one would actually show up on me. So now let's put it right on our cheeks. Yes. Here you go. Oh my gosh. How about you? Have you guys tried Ofra Cosmetics yet? That blush actually looks really pretty. It's definitely colors that I would wear. And it definitely goes well with the eyeshadow. But you know what? What I'm gonna do now? Let me just finish doing this other side, as well as put some lipstick, as well as some bronzer. And I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. I'll be right back. Wait for me. Yes! And I'm back. And here's the final look. Well, what do you think? Well, I'm so happy with this look. But more than anything, I'm really inspired by this month's theme, which is Stronger Together, the future is female and equality. Right there, it's so powerful to me. It's so moving to me. And the fact that Ipsy as a company inspires and empowers women, more than anything, it also supports women and the community. And that's the reason why I'm so moved. And I'm so happy opening up this package. So now, time for final thoughts on the products. So it actually started with a bag, and I love the fact that the bag actually shows diversity in women. Second, my choices. So the Air Repair Moisturizer was really great. It was rich, but it's rich in the sense that it's whippy, but at the same time, it glided on very well onto the skin and it's not heavy. So super happy that I actually picked this moisturizer. My second choice was actually the Dose of Colors concealer, and I'm so happy because this one actually has been a dream of mine. I've been seeing this at Ulta. It actually has like very good reviews, so I'm so happy that I actually got it in this package. And the fact that I just use my fingers without using beauty blender to actually like blend it out, super happy about that. Third, we actually got the makeup brushes, and I love the fact that this is pink and they're also synthetic. That means that we can actually wear them or use them both for wet or dry formulas. And I also love the fact that they're actually labeled. So for someone who's a beginner, you don't need to worry because it's actually labeled on what you can actually use each brush for. And then fourth, we actually used the Shades by Shan eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette actually really moved me. I mean, the fact that 25% of the proceeds of this collection will be going to support single parents in need, that's great. I mean, that actually like sealed the deal right there. You know, I mean, like that a lot of these companies, you know, they don't just produce good products, but they support so many advocacies right there. So amazing. So thank you, Shades by Shan, for that. And then of course, the last one is the Ofra blush. And yes, and I first heard Ofra Cosmetics from Nikki Tutorials. I really love her. I really look up to her. And this one actually really did a very good job as well. I mean, you'll never go wrong with this blush. It just has the right amount of color, and it even went well with the color of the eyeshadow. So, what is the value of these 5 items that I got in here? It's $170, and I only paid $25. So my verdict for this collection is, it's a winner! It's a champion! Yes! I mean, more than anything, I'm just really happy. So how about you? What do you think of this collection? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you can please support it by giving it a thumbs up. And also, I hope that if you enjoy unbagging, as well as product reviews, and anything about women empowerment, as well as LGBTQ empowerment, please consider to subscribe, and you're in the right alley. And again, my name is Ali Cat Castle, and as I always say, let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. Again, stronger together, the future is female, and equality, and I love you!